Hi, I'm Justin, and in this video, I'll show you how to use Asset Builder. Asset Builder makes the trust you have with your customers visible. It turns your reviews and ratings into professional-looking images that you can insert into ads and social media posts. Why does this matter? Because trust influences user action. It makes someone more likely to click an ad or engage with a post, and it gives you a consistent way to highlight what real customers say about you. The Asset Builder is available to customers on the Premium, Advanced, and Enterprise plans. Here are a few different ways you can use the Asset Builder in Trustpilot Assets to improve your ads and social media posts. Try using the Asset Builder to create and test different ad variations. Run A/B tests with two versions of the same ad, one with the Trustpilot asset and one without. Ads with the Trustpilot asset often drive higher click-throughs. Or try using a Trustpilot asset in a seasonal campaign. Add your trust score and the word excellent into your holiday ads to boost confidence during times when there's a lot of competition for customers. Finally, use a Trustpilot asset to help boost the conversion rate of retargeted ads. Try adding assets to a checkout retargeting ad to remind shoppers of your credibility related to purchase. You can find the Asset Builder in Share and Promote, and then Asset Builder. You'll see two options, pre-made assets and build your own assets. Pre-made assets are ready for use in common ad formats like square posts, story ads, or banner ads. They're great if you want something fast. Simply choose an asset, click download, and you're ready to go. With Build Your Own Assets, you can create an asset that directly aligns with your advertising goals. Start by clicking Build Your Own. Now you can choose up to 3 different trust signals to include in your ad. You could choose the review count, number rating, or even the word rating. Be aware that the Trustpilot logo is always included in the Build Your Own Assets. Let's talk about how to customize a pre-made or build your own asset. There are a number of visual elements that you can change. Click the Customize button to change the appearance of the asset. The first thing you can change is the layout of the asset. A vertical layout works best for square social posts. A horizontal layout works well for banners or other wide placements. If you're targeting a mobile-first audience, use the vertical format to keep things arranged vertically. You can also change the appearance of your asset. You could choose to have a different type of background, you could choose dark mode, and you can add a border to your asset. You can also choose any language you want and the widget will update appropriately. This is really helpful when you're running campaigns across multiple regions. Once you're happy, click Apply Changes and then Download. The file is a PNG image ready for digital use. Just remember, these are for digital use only, not for email templates, websites, or printed materials. Here are a couple of tips to consider when using the Asset Builder. For checkout or retargeting campaigns, feature just one strong signal, like your trust score. For awareness campaigns, pair trust score with total reviews to emphasize both quality and volume. That's the Asset Builder. It helps you turn customer proof into campaign-ready creative in minutes. Log into your Trustpilot business account to create your asset and visit our Help Center for more guidance.